Hi, I'm Amanda Haas, and today I am going to show you the most delicious, simplest smoked salmon recipe. It's a vodka brined smoked salmon. Okay, to make the smoked salmon, I've got a whole side of salmon. This can range anywhere from 1.5 to 3 pounds. But a great tip to note is when you go to purchase a side of salmon, ask the fishmonger there if they can help you trim the ends and remove the pin bones and make sure to leave the skin on. They love helping you, and they'll also help you find a piece that is fresh, doesn't smell fishy, is bright in color, and will be perfect for this recipe. For the brining ingredients, I've got brown sugar, vodka, which is used as the curing agent, so pick a vodka that you really like the flavor of, it'll help a lot, salt, pepper. And for equipment, all you need is a dish or a pan that will hold the side of salmon, so when we put the brine over it, it can all be in there. You need a whisk for the ingredients and a bowl. Okay, let's make the brine. Start with brown sugar, salt, pepper. Coarse salt works really well here. And then let's just add the vodka over the top and give it a whisk. Oh, this smells so good, and the brown sugar is going to create this depth of flavor that is delicious. And then you add that smoke. I love having this recipe around to do a brunch and then saving the leftovers for other things throughout the week. Oh, okay, this is gonna be great, and it's gonna go straight onto the side of salmon. Okay, we're gonna just put all of this gorgeous brine right over the top of the fish. Make sure we get all of the sugar and salt out here. Oh my gosh. Once you do this and you realize how easy it is, it's something you'll wanna do over and over. So impressive. Great use of all of that smoke on the Traeger. Okay, so if you've got a thick piece of fish like this, I think the smarter thing to do when you go to let it sit in the brine is to actually flip it over and let it start flesh side down. We want to get all of those flavors absorbed into the flesh. And then about an hour or two in, just give it a flip and the skin side can get it as well, okay? So I'll put this in the refrigerator covered for 2 to 4 hours. Okay, my fish has been in the refrigerator for 4 hours, and I flipped it after 2 like I talked about. Now I'm just gonna drain the brine off, rinse the fish, and pat it dry. So let's pat it dry with a paper towel. You wanna make sure it's really dry. So I put them on the bottom side as well. If there's any leftover pepper or salt on it, we can kind of take that off too, but don't worry about it. I'm going to put it on this piece of butcher paper to go directly on the grill. Perfect. And onto the Traeger it goes. The grill is at 180 degrees for smoking, and I'm using cherry pellets, which will be so delicious with this. You'll also notice I have my salmon on a piece of butcher paper. It makes it so much easier to transfer it on and off the grill, but you'll still get all of that great smoke flavor. I'm also going to use our probe thermometer in this because it's really important that you're getting it to the right temperature when you cook it. So we'll put that in now. So I'm gonna let this smoke for 30 minutes and then I'll come back and increase the temperature. In the meantime, if you have the super smoke setting, use it. So my fish has reached 140 degrees. It should be finished. Let's take a look. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm just gonna put it directly onto this board. I can't wait to taste it. So I have this gorgeous side of smoked salmon, and I'd love to serve it family style just like this, along with all of these beautiful garnishes like capers, little lemon, any fresh herbs you like with it. I love dill. Maybe some sliced red onion to go with it as well. To get this recipe and more, visit us online at traegergrills.com/recipes or download our app.